Hatamali for protection, back again with the news as we always never promise. Today we're gonna compare for you Colgate with Oral-B. This is from Braun and this is Colgate. Actually, there's no comparison between them. Just I'm gonna compare for you to tell you that never buy this and buy this. And both of them, they are not my mom company. You got me? I tried this for 1 week and I tried this for 1 week. Okay. I don't know what happened to the hair here. Like I was brushing. I don't know. I was brushing car with her, you know. And see here, nothing happened. Look here, still work nice. Okay, and see here, I don't know, here stop work at all. You know, after 1 week, water enter here from the side, it's enter the brush and start not work. But here, you know, even she full from my hand in banyo and it was full of water, but nothing happened. Even the quality, look here, the quality looks better. And here, see how it looks cheap shit. And see, I don't know what is this even. Why is it happening like this? What is burn or what? Look, I'm gonna show you something. Here, I'm gonna put out it for you. Oh wait.
Okay, see guys, I open it for you here. See how's water enter, how have this orange color, looks even disgusting. I mean, what's this shit? I mean, but see here, the water here not best at all. See how still clean from inside. Here clean, and here look. I mean, what is this shit? I mean, see, this looks really disgusting. And what's this water enter? And she stopped work probably at all. She stopped work at all. I honestly, even the way how is here smooth for teeth, I feel this one scratching teeth. You got me. This one looks better. She did scratch my teeth. I feel even the way how she brush. This one, even the way how she brush teeth, like this right and left, the way how she brush, it's. I feel she's more tender on my teeth than this one. And this one is cleaning teeth better than cleaning by this one. Actually, this one's not go. This one just go between teeth, clean right and left, up down, and take the dirt is between. But this one, I feel that she's nothing. You got me. Actually, I advise you to buy this Oral-B Braun, and they create now new one. The big box have complete kit for cleaning teeth. It's expensive a little bit, but it's worth his money. This was my opinion about them. Never buy this shit and stay with this if you want, or find another brand if you would like to. Thanks for watching and see you in another vlog with Hatamali for injection. Peace.